Hi there, I'm Sebastian Blöchel, the head of automotive for Igus in North America, and today I would like to talk about the modern automotive seating. So what did change over the years? And that is quite a lot. Everything is movable nowadays, from the leg rest to the armrest to the lumbar support, to the headrest, the linear seat adjustment, the seat height adjustment, and even rotating seats. And that is exactly where Igus comes into place, where we say we improve what moves in the automotive seating. The great news is we already improve millions of seatings across the world with our self-lubricating and high-performance components. And that is also because we can reduce noise. No BSR or NVH noises, no squealing or rattling with our Igus bushings. Another very important reason is that we can reduce weight, up to 7 times compared to a metallic bushing. And also we can save costs per part, but also save times for the assembly, especially with our innovative clip bearings. So which Igus products can be found inside of the automotive seating? And that number is truly amazing. From any kind of bushings and bearings to thrust washers. We also offer gears, cable carriers like this one, and also lead screw assemblies with the highest and patented geometry, self-lubricating injection molded nut, as you can see here. And that's not it. We can offer sliding elements in infinite shapes and designs as per your application and requirement. Yes, the automotive seating is getting much more motion in a much more noise-sensitive driver compartment than ever before. And we as Igus can be your perfect partner to improve what moves in your automotive seating. For further information, please check the info below. Thank you very much.